Pouring from the gloomy skies. Rain, tell me, how did you realize that I needed you? Rain, you've come to brighten up my day, come to wash my tears away and help me smile again. My woman left and didn't even say why she had to leave and go. Friends told me she's got another lover, but I was the last to know. Rain, coming down so pure and free, the perfect cure for my misery. You make me smile again. I'm walking in the rain, trying to drown my pain and sorrow, so I can love again. Beating out a melody. Rain, like a haunting symphony. Your rhythm soothes my pain. Rain, your showers make the flowers grow. Lakes and streams and rivers flow. Unlike me, you never fall in vain. Though you hide the sunshine's radiant glow, you won't hear me complain, for I know that to enjoy a beautiful rainbow, one has to endure the rain. Rain, trickling through the cobblestones. Oh, though you chill me to my bones, you make me smile again. I'm walking in the rain, trying to drown my pain and sorrow, so I can love again.